Right, I'm going to show you the process of how to mark out through dovetails. These are the tools you're going to need to cut them and mark them out. Okay, so you make sure your saw's sharp, you've got a sharp pencil as well. Okay, so first thing that we have to do, 2 pieces of timber that we have, we need to put one flush with the end and mark the inside point here. Just a small line, because that's how deep the dovetail is going to be. Then we need to square that line completely round this piece of timber. Make sure your line meets, and then you know that you've squared it round correctly. Right. The next thing we need to do, we're going to put 3 dovetails in this piece of wide timber, 3 20mm dovetails. This timber is 104mm wide, so 104. Okay, so putting 3 dovetails in there means we're going to need 4 spaces. So looking at this one, okay, we've got 3 dovetails here, so we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces in. So we're going to do 20mm on each dovetail, which makes 60mm altogether. Now taking that away from 104 leaves us with 44mm, and dividing the 44 into the 4 gaps that you need makes each one 12mm. Okay, so we'll come back to marking this out. The ratio used in softwood is a ratio of 1:6. So to set the bevel to the right angle, you must come down 6 centimeters in your timber from the end and 1 centimeter across. Now that point needs linking with the corner of the timber here, and we draw a line down there. Now to set the bevel, we need to go level with the end of the timber on the end and turn this round until we're in line here.
So Kevin, this is purely to set the angle and nothing else?
Yep, that's right. So if we look at this one as an example, this is the angle of the dovetail, the cut angles, like what we've done here. Okay, 1:6 in softwood, 1:8 in hardwoods. So that's now set to a 1:6 angle. So turning this back round, we've got to create the tails first of all. So marking along the top edge, we're going to use these sizes we've got here. So we're going to go 12mm, then 20, then 12, and 20, 12, and 20 again. So then marking these out, go in line with there. Right. I find it easier to mark the waste that you're going to be cutting away. Cross hatch the waste and put it in the vise, and using a tri-square we mark these lines across. So using the tri-square, you can mark them lines across the timber.